Need access to apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint? Here's how to download and install Microsoft 365. Start by going to m365.cloud.microsoft/apps and signing in with your Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, you can create one. Once you're signed in, open the Install Apps drop-down. If you haven't purchased Microsoft 365 yet, select Buy Microsoft 365 and choose your plan. Or if you already have a product key, select Enter your product key and follow the prompts to add it to your account. Once your purchase or product key is linked, you're ready to install. Return to the Install Apps drop-down and select Microsoft 365 Apps. If you're using a personal account, choose your language and version. Then select Install to download the installer. If you're using a work or school account, selecting Microsoft 365 Apps opens your Microsoft account in the browser. Under Apps and Devices, select Install Office to download the installer. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it to begin installing. On a Windows PC, the install will start automatically. On a Mac, open your Downloads folder, double-click the installer, and follow the prompts on screen. After installation is complete, you can open your apps from the Start menu on Windows or Launchpad on Mac. And that's it! You're all set to start using Microsoft 365. For more help, visit support.microsoft.com.